Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Knights Inn Florence, South Carolina. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located right off Interstate 95, this pet-friendly hotel is 4 miles drive from the Florence Museum in Central Florence. Features include an outdoor swimming pool and laundry facilities. Free coffee is available every morning. Cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at Knights Inn Florence, South Carolina. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception and a sun terrace by the pool are available to the guests of Knights Inn Florence, South Carolina. Coffee is offered in the mornings. Darlington Raceway is 15 minutes drive from the hotel. Marion University is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.